In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money on Vinted. If you've sold items on Vinted and your balance is ready to cash out, this process is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can move your available funds from your Vinted account to your bank account without any confusion. To begin, open Vinted in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the main Vinted website, give the page a moment to fully load so all account options appear properly. This is especially helpful if your internet connection is a little slow or if the site takes a second to display the full menu. Next, go to your profile account in the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find your personal account options, including settings related to your balance, selling activity, and payouts. Click on your profile area to open the account menu. From there, select Wallet. The Wallet section is where Vinted keeps track of the money you've earned from completed sales. When you open it, you should be able to see your current available balance. If you don't see any funds yet, it may simply mean that a sale is still being processed or that the payment hasn't become available for withdrawal yet. In that case, you may need to wait until the transaction is fully completed. Once you're inside the wallet page, click on Withdraw. After that, simply follow the on-screen procedure. Vinted may ask you to confirm your bank details, choose the amount you want to transfer, or verify your identity depending on your account status and region. Just read each screen carefully and complete the requested information exactly as shown. As a helpful tip, make sure your banking information is accurate before confirming the withdrawal. Even a small mistake in your account details can delay the transfer. It's also a good idea to double-check whether there are any minimum withdrawal requirements or processing times displayed on the screen, since these can vary. After you confirm the withdrawal, the money will usually take some time to arrive. So don't worry if it doesn't appear in your bank account instantly. Processing times can depend on your bank and Vinted's payout system. And that's it. That's how to withdraw money on Vinted. Once you've done it the first time, the process becomes much quicker and easier the next time you need to cash out your balance.